In this lecture, let's see two different options that can be used with jQueryUI's spinner widget to display currencies and decimal numbers in our spinner. So this is just a spinner and it will appear like this. We can increase or decrease the values. Okay. Suppose I want to display currencies and that too in US dollars. So you have to use two options to make it possible, and they are number format and culture. So suppose you want to display currencies, what you want to do is you have to specify the value of number format to be capital C. So number format and its value should be capital C, which means currency, and you need to specify the particular value for culture. Actually, if you want to display US dollars, the value of culture should be EN hyphen capital EN. Okay. And you need to reference a globalized file for this purpose. And you could find the globalized file from this site, that is github.com/jQuery. It will have a folder jQuery-UI. If you click that, you will find a number of folders, and if you click external and then globalize, you will find three different JS files, that is globalize.js, globalize.culture.ja-jp.js, and globalize.culture.de-de.js. But I doubt these are not up to date. When I reference these files, I was not getting the output correctly. So I'm going to access these files from the jQueryUI website, that is the official jQueryUI website. And you could find these files at these different web pages, that is jQueryUI.com/resources/demos/external globalize.js, and here it is de-de.js, and here it is ja-jp.js. So if you want to set the value as US dollars, you need to have reference to this one, that is globalize.js. So how we can add reference? Either you can copy the contents and save it in a local file, or you can also reference it online. For the time being, I'm going to reference it online itself. So script src equals, I have added reference and close the script. Okay. Now let's see the difference in output. Let me refresh. See, you are now seeing $4.00. Now $5.00. Suppose you specify the value of step to be 10. What will happen? We will see increment by 10. Refresh. Now it is $5, $20, $30, $40, $50 like that. Okay. Like this you can set currencies. Suppose you want to display Japanese yen as a currency. Then what should we do? JA-JP, and you also have to add reference to ja-jp.js. Okay, so let me copy this. Here script src equals, paste and close the script. And here it is ja-jp. Now let's see the output. Refresh. Let me increment. See, it is now Japanese yen. 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. Okay. And you can also have euro as the currency. In that case, it should be DE-capital DE, and you need to have reference to this one. So let me copy this. Script src equals, and here it should be closed. Now let's see the difference. It will be euro then. Refresh. Let me click. See, it is 10 euro. In fact, as per their culture, they use comma, I think. Instead of dot, they use comma. That is why we are seeing 40,00 instead of 40.00. Okay. Similarly, if you set the number format's value to be n, then the values will be decimal values. Suppose I put en-en, and let me put the value of step to be 0.01. Let's see the difference. Let me refresh. Let me click. See, it is 0.01, 02, 03 like that. So if you want to have decimal values, the value of number format option should be n. And suppose we specify DE-DE, capital DE, then I doubt the value will be comma here instead of point. Refresh. See, it is 4,00, 4,01, which means the value is 4.01, 4.02. Instead of dot, we are seeing a comma. Okay, so based on the value of the culture, we can have different cultures, and the number format should be n if you want to have decimal values, and the value of number format should be capital C if you want to have currencies in our spinner. And you should not forget to add reference to the required globalized files.